Morning paints the harbor gold, stories waiting to unfold. Sailing boats upon the blue, every street feels fresh and new. Napoleon city stands so proud, church bells rising through the crowd, coffee drifting through the air, Mediterranean everywhere.
Take my hand beside the sea, every moment sets us free. Golden sunlight, gentle breeze, life is dancing with the trees. Ajaccio shine tonight, Corsican dreams in golden light, blue horizons, endless sky, every heartbeat learns to fly. Ajaccio, stay with me, where the mountains kiss the sea. One more sunset, one more smile, let's be lost for just a while. Hidden gardens softly bloom, old stone streets erase the gloom, every window tells a tale, every sail rides with the gale. Marina glowing crystal bright, yachts reflecting morning light, summer laughter fills the square, French romances everywhere.
Ocean whispers, hearts collide, walking slowly side by side.
Every corner, every view feels like paradise come true. Ajaccio shine tonight, every dream is burning bright, sea and mountains hand in hand, welcome to this island land. Ajaccio, wild and free, forever part of memory. One more journey, one more song, here is where our hearts belong.
When the stars embrace the sea,
Ajaccio, Ajaccio. Morning paints the harbor gold, stories waiting to unfold, sailing boats upon the blue, every street feels fresh and new. Napoleon city stands so proud, church bells rising through the crowd, coffee drifting through the air, Mediterranean everywhere. Take my hand beside the sea, every moment sets us free. Golden sunlight, gentle breeze, life is dancing with the trees. Ajaccio shine tonight.